Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, is all set to make his Bollywood directorial debut with the Bads of Bollywood. While the project has already generated significant buzz, it's the title that's capturing everyone's attention. What exactly do the three asterisks in the middle of the word Bads mean? Let's delve into what the cast has to say about the intriguing title. Bobby Deol, one of the stars of the show, sheds light on the meaning behind the unusual title. He explains, it is its concept, it is the way the show is written. When you watch the show, then when you look at the title, you will understand. According to Bobby, the asterisks in the title are directly tied to the storyline of the show. He believes that the title will make perfect sense once viewers watch the Bads of Bollywood. He even draws a comparison to his 1997 film Gupt, where the title didn't make sense until the film's big twist was revealed. Lakshya, another actor in the series, shares that the title reflects the complexity and vastness of the show. He says, the type of show that it is, it's very difficult to describe in one word. When you see the show, then you will find the meaning of Bads because you cannot define the show in one word or one line, because it is a vast, unique world that Aryan has set. Just like its story, the title is also very unique, and it catches attention. People will remember it. Lakshya emphasizes that the title is a reflection of the series' intricate world, and it's something viewers won't fully understand until they see the show. He adds that the uniqueness of the title will make it memorable for audiences. Raghav Juyal offers a simpler explanation for the asterisks, saying, they had to fit Bads with Bollywood, and that's why they have put asterisk in it. It was for aesthetic reason. For Raghav, the asterisks are a design choice, giving the title a visual appeal that is both striking and memorable. Here's an interesting tidbit. Manoj Bahwa, another star of the Bads of Bollywood, revealed that he didn't even know the title of the show until it was officially announced. He said, they didn't even tell me the title of the show, and when the title of the show was revealed at that time, I got to know about it. Apart from Bobby Deol, Lakshya, and Raghav Juyal, the Bads of Bollywood also stars Sahir Bamba, Manoj Bahwa, Mona Singh, and others. The excitement is further fueled by special appearances from Bollywood heavyweights such as Salman Khan, Karan Johar, and Ranveer Singh, making it a must-watch. With Aryan Khan's directorial debut, a unique and attention-grabbing title, and a stellar cast, the Bads of Bollywood is shaping up to be one of the most highly anticipated releases of the year. Keep an eye out for more updates on this exciting project.